You're watching DD India News Hour. I'm Shubhendu Ghosh. All eyes are on the US Federal Reserve monetary policy decision, as it is expected to signal on Wednesday that it will cut rates in September. Ahead of the announcement, Asian stocks surged on Wednesday. European shares also climbed nearly 1%. Chinese blue chip stocks were up about 2%, while Hong Kong's Hang Seng was also 2% higher. That took MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan 1% higher. Indian shares also traded slightly higher on Wednesday. Meanwhile, oil prices rose from 7-week lows. In commodities, US crude was 1.77% higher at $76.05 per barrel, and Brent was $79.82 per barrel. The Bank of Japan raised interest rates on Wednesday and projected inflation to stay around 2% target in coming years. At the two-day policy meeting, the central bank also laid out detailed quantitative tightening plan that will reduce monthly bond buying in several stages to around 3 trillion yen, or about $19.6 billion as of January-March 2026. The Bank of Japan's decision comes hours before that of the Fed, which is likely to hold rates steady before cutting rates as soon as September. And India's market capitalization has surpassed $5.5 trillion for the first time, just 2 months after reaching the $5 trillion mark. The achievement reflects the market's overall strength despite benchmark indices remaining relatively unchanged for the second consecutive day. By the end of trading on Tuesday, the total market cap of all companies listed on the BSE was $5.5 trillion. Earlier this year, India surpassed Hong Kong as the world's fourth largest stock market. Since then, it was widened its lead over the city-state.